Hey guys, today I'm going to be changing out the controller for the Photon Gen 2 motor. Let's get into it. Alright, so this particular motor, the controller is completely dead, so we're going to switch it out. I've barely seen any Photon Gen 2 controllers being swapped, but this one I had to do, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. First thing you want to do is take out the grub screws from the side. There's two of them, one here and one there. So just take those out. All right, next is to get the chainring tool. Once you break it loose, then it should be fairly easy to come out. Okay. And then the chainring adapter comes out. And then we'll put this on for now, just so the torque sensor doesn't come out. And then next, you want to get these 4 bolts out. All right, so I got the 4 bolts out, and then it should just come out. So if you just jimmy it a little bit, it should pop out. It's pretty easy to pop out. And then in the Gen 2, they have this rubber gasket in there, which is great. So you don't have to use the liquid gasket and do all that mess. But you're pretty much mostly there. This is the old controller. This is the new controller. Swap this out. Don't touch anything else. And then it should fit right in, and then you put the bolts back in. All right, next take the cover back off and put the chainring adapter on there. Put the cover back on. It's a really fine thread, so you just kind of have to find it. There. And just put the grub screws back in there, and you are all done. And there you have it. That's how you change your Gen 2 controller. It's that simple. It's so much simpler than the Gen 1 controller. If you're looking for the instructions how to change your Gen 1 controller, I'll link the video in the caption below or up top here somewhere. Either way, I'm done for today, and I'll see you guys next time.